Hello, are you sitting at home crying about the state of economy caused by coronavirus? I think I know why. I know average Nigerians survive by daily work, like the laborers, hawkers, petty traders, and most businessmen and women. More especially now we are on lockdown, a lot of businesses are locked out. But were you aware that you can be doing your business online without having a physical store? For example, you can do your business on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and lots more. I can show you how to make money online through just one source: Bitcoin. My name is Ifeanyi Ruben, popularly known as Gibenny, founder of Kitchen Academy. I'm a crypto trader, a merchant, a coach, and also a consultant. For limited period, you can purchase my book for just 2,500 Naira and you have access to my Bitcoin basic class. In my class, you will learn the following: blockchain and Bitcoin fundamentals, 4 different ways you make a fortune from Bitcoin. Get it now.